Hello for everyone. My name is Julija Gylienė. I work in the VILNIUS TECH library in the Training and Public Relations department. And today I have prepared a short presentation of Mendeley, a bibliographic information management tool. So I will introduce you to its functionality, searching for information, saving resources, inserting citations into the text, and creating a bibliography list. More than 30 different tools have been developed. Some are completely free to access, others are free for only part of the functionality or only for a certain period of time. During this presentation, you won't hear any comparisons between Mendeley and other tools. This will be a short presentation introducing the Mendeley tool and its basic functionality. As a general overview, bibliographic information management tools are designed to facilitate the preparation of written works, organize and systemize information and full text of publications, and cite and make a bibliography. Well, specifically, Mendeley allows the user to collect, store, and group up to 2 GB of documents for free, annotate them, access the resources online, and in the desktop application. There is an option to automatically generate a bibliography from all sources that have been cited. A big advantage is the ability to choose the required citation style. There are more than 200 citation styles, but some of them have additional modifications and different variations. So as a result, Mendeley gives you access to almost 7,000 citation styles. There is also a possibility to form groups and communicate with peers, but this feature has a flaw. In the updated version of Mendeley Reference Manager, which I believe is being fixed. So I will not focus on how to form groups. Yes. By the way, I wanted to mention that Mendeley has founded in 2007 by 3 PhD students and acquired by Elsevier in 2013. So the technical requirements are not specific. The main ones are listed on the slide, but constantly updated information is available in the Mendeley Support Center. The beginning. First, you need to go to mendeley.com and create an account. An account can be created with personal or institutional email address. And the next step is to go to download Mendeley. So the reference manager will be on the desktop. I will introduce its functionality soon. Mendeley Web Importer will be in the browser, and Mendeley citation plugin you will see for creating citations and bibliography in Microsoft Word. So, first about Mendeley Reference Manager. If there are any of you who downloaded Mendeley earlier than September of last year, you probably have Mendeley desktop. You can use it, it still works, but there are no more version updates because the main version is Mendeley Reference Manager. So on the right side of the slide, all the functionality is described. I will mention the main ones. So all references you upload to the Mendeley library will be visible in all references panel. You can see all available literature by selecting within the last 30 days by recently added, recently read, favorites, and my publications. When writing a thesis or publication, it is convenient to group the necessary sources into folders, creating separate collections. References will never disappear from the main all references, but you will also see them in the collection folders. Number 13, Mendeley automatically synchronizes. So when you upload a new document or make changes, they are saved automatically, and you see the same library through the desktop and browser version of Mendeley. Number 9, you can enter a search term into the search field, and Mendeley will return the appropriate results. Mendeley searches by author, title, year, and source. Number 9, ability to use filters by author or tags. And number 11 is an important window because it shows all the basic information about the documents. About the source, authors, place of publication, date, abstract reference to the source, identifiers, and other important information. If you see that data is missing or entered incorrectly, or words are written in capital letters, although they should be in lowercase, you must make all changes in this table. This is very important to know and to remember, because based on this data, citations and bibliography will be compiled in Microsoft Word document. So on this slide, you can see several options for how you can add existing documents or newly found sources to the Mendeley library. So you can add files from folders on your computer or by simply dragging them into Mendeley. You can create descriptions by hand or enter an identifier, and the completed data will be filled into Drive. You can import sources from the web using Mendeley Web Importer. It happens that when only the bibliographic description is downloaded, the source link remains online. However, if a PDF document is downloaded, Mendeley additionally provides the opportunity to open and work on several PDF documents at the same time. Mark the most important places in the text and write your own comments, which will be visible in the annotation section. You will see the time when the comment was written. You can delete those that are no longer needed. One of the most important features of Mendeley is to use the Mendeley site add-in for Microsoft Word to generate citations and bibliographies in just a few clicks. So you can search for references in your Mendeley library and insert them into your document with a single click. You can do this for individual or multiple references. You can choose your preferred citation style to automatically update your references and bibliography. And the number 3 is the possibility to generate a bibliography from the references you have cited. The process is very fast. The great thing is that if you make corrections to the citations, delete something or insert something new, the bibliography is updated automatically. And I wanted to say that if you need to edit the bibliographic descriptions in the reference list, please make the corrections in the Mendeley Reference Manager, but not here, not directly in Microsoft Word. So I will show you shortly how to upload a document to Mendeley, how to cite it, and how to create a bibliography. So, okay, I will open a browser right now. I'm using Chrome, and I will open a VILNIUS TECH virtual library. It is Vilnius vb.vilniustech.lt. I will change the language. VILNIUS TECH Virtual Library, it is an integral searching system allowing access to search for Vilnius Gediminas Technical University library resources, subscribed databases, open access, electronic resources, and other resources. So, for example, I write keywords, okay? University management. I want to search only in subscribed databases. Yes, we have to wait. Okay, so yes, I get a lot of search results. Of course, if I were really looking for specific information, the search results would have to be refined. But today my goal is to show you the possible options for saving the resources you find. So I choose, for example, the first search result. It's very convenient that there is a link to the full text document. So, okay, I will click on it. Okay, so the system opens the document in the database. Also, I see that there is a link to PDF. I will open it. Okay, so now I can use the Mendeley web importer. Okay, yes, Mendeley understands that this document has PDF, so I will add it. I can add directly to my library, to all the references, or to one of my, or to multiple of collections. So I add directly to my library. Yes, so this one example. Second example can be that I would use Mendeley Web Importer now. So you can see that Mendeley Web Importer suggests me 6 more references to add to my library. So, for example, I don't know, the second one and the third one. Okay, this article has a PDF, so I will click on it, choose to more and adding, yes. Okay, some problems. So never mind. I will come back here and I will show you that I can use Mendeley Web Importer now when I am in the virtual library or in the other search system, so I can use it now again. Yes, 34 references detected on this page. Okay, so maybe management, project management, and science parks and talent attraction management. So, okay, 3 more. Yes, something is not working, PDF. Yes, but the system works, have to work like I showed you. And now I'm going to Mendeley reference manager in my desktop. So I need to log in again. I use my personal email. And I will try again. So now it'll work. I hope. Okay, so now I see all the references that I added today, a few minutes ago, or some days ago, some months ago. So I wanted to show you that what I can do with PDF, for example, okay? So I can open it, multiple, 2 PDF. So, or maybe I will find, okay, never mind. So I have 3 PDFs here, and I can mark the most important text. Yes, I can add a comment. Or highlight like that. If it is more, if it is better to me. Okay, text. And all the comments that I added, I will see here in annotation section. Important is that I can delete the same articles. So, for example, I show you now the 2 articles. One of them has a PDF. The second one don't have. So I will delete this. I mark and delete. That's it. And now I'm going to Microsoft Word. Yes, Mendeley site is in References tab. Yes, so I will show you how to cite, firstly, how to insert and format citations and bibliographies. So you have to be downloaded site add-in, yes, the site with Mendeley, Mendeley site on the references tab. So I will write some text like this. Text, and I need to insert a citation. So I will click on it and insert. That's it. More text. Text. Second, for example, this one and this one. Okay, I will insert 2 more text. If you need to edit a reference, for example, to add a specific page number to an in-text citation, you can, okay, I will add more text. Insert text. So you can mark the citation in the text, and in the references tab, click on the author's name. For example, who they bat. So click on the author's surname, and then in the edit references window, make the change. For example, you can add a page number, yes? Or select from other options on the drop-down menu. For example, I will write 55. Save changes. Yes, okay. I'll write doubled pages. For example, I click on this surname, this citation, and I will click on the surname, and for example, 77, 78. Save changes. Insert text. Also, you can suppress the author. This is important function if you need to mention the author in text. For example, I don't know, Detlar. Okay, Detlar. Detlar. Yeah, Detlar. Analyzes. Found. Text. Okay, so I need to insert the year of Detlar publication, yes? So I click here, information management, and if I would insert it now, you would see that Detlar and Detlar is doubled. So I need to delete, but delete not with not with backspace, not with delete button, but delete in Mendeley. So I need to click on surname and suppress author. Click on suppress author. Save changes, and that's it. Detlar analyzes found. Okay, maybe I will do it again, okay, with another yes, if I would insert it. I will write only one surname, okay. Suppress, and that's it. Oh, Potowska. Here. Can be that I made a mistake, yes, and I need to delete something or to edit something, to change something, yes, I can change it. For example, I can go to the here and delete. That's it. For example, I see that here is Hanson, yes? Yeah, okay, I will click here, insert, and I see that Hanson, and I need to delete this surname, so suppress author and change. That's it. Okay, so I'm thinking, oh yes, citation settings. If you need to change citation style or citation language, use the citation settings tab. It is here. Can change citation style and change citation language if you need. And what else? Okay, so bibliography, okay. So you can add bibliography to your Microsoft Word document whenever you like. When you are ready, please place your cursor where you want the bibliography to appear. Then from the More tab, click Insert Bibliography. When the system asks you that bibliography will be inserted at your cursor location, so okay, and click Continue. The accuracy of the bibliography will depend on the description of available sources in the Mendeley library. Therefore, if there are mistakes or the description is incomplete, all corrections should be made in the Mendeley reference manager from your desktop. So, thank you for your attention.